Hello, my name is Deanna Reed, and I will be presenting your website proposal today. I wanted to thank the employees at Mountain State Centers for Independent Living for attending this presentation, and I look forward to showing you the exciting ideas we have for your new website. Let's start by looking at what you need in a new website. Most importantly, the website has to be accessible for people with disabilities. Next, you would like your staff and volunteers to be able to easily update and maintain the site. You would also like to be able to continue accepting donations through the website. And finally, clear navigation is important so that site visitors can easily find all those valuable resources you provide. Did you know that it takes about 50 milliseconds for users to form an opinion about your website? What do your users see? Let's start with the good. Your site was designed to be accessible to people with disabilities, which we know is important. Next, you have a link for visitors to make a donation. That's a great start, but I think we can help you improve. Finally, your site has a wealth of resources for your visitors. We would like to help you better organize them and highlight them. There are areas we see that need improvement. First, the design is a bit outdated and could use some modernization. 38% of people will stop engaging with a website if the content or layout is unattractive, which is why we feel adding images and/or video will be important. Finally, 85% of adults think that a company's website, when viewed on a mobile device, should be as good or better than its desktop website. So we need to make your site mobile friendly. Let's move into what we can do for you. As part of our pre-process and content strategy, we developed for you a recommended style guide and a project brief and information architecture report. You should have those files. Now I know there's a lot of information in there, but let's cover some of the highlights of each document. Let's start with the style guide. We recommend updating the logo and color palette to help modernize the site. We want to keep a similar tone and voice as your current site, but focusing on a resourceful, helpful presence. Over in the project brief and information architecture report, one of the important things we have included is our proposed sitemap. You may notice a few new pages here. We are recommending several new pages that help build your community and resources, such as the Volunteer Spotlight page, a new blog page, and the resource library. Next, we want to draw your attention to the wireframe that we included in the project brief and information architecture report. This is our proposed blueprint for your new homepage. Some of the highlights of the new homepage include: we've moved the menu bar to the top center of the website, making it easier to navigate to submenus and giving it a prominent position on the page. It also allows the donation link to appear on every page. Next, we have added a banner image directly under the menu that can also act as a carousel. This can include images, video, or even messaging content and provides prominent visual stimulation to site visitors. We have also added a ribbon on the right-hand side that highlights recent blog posts and upcoming events. So what's next? Well, if you like our ideas and would like to move forward, we can start building your site right away. We'd like to make sure your site is built by early June. This gives us enough time to test and have your staff and volunteers get comfortable with the site. Then, once the site is built, we'll be optimizing it so that you can launch in July, just before your big donation month of August. Thank you for your time today. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to working with you. Would you like to know more interesting facts about websites and user statistics? The facts I included in this presentation were from Square.com's article, 27 Eye-Opening Website Statistics. Is your website costing you clients? You can check it out at the link I've included on this slide.